What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I go by Pushing Kilos and we are the Kilo Gang, okay? So if you are new, please go ahead right now and subscribe to your girl channel. And everybody make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up right now, because y'all already clicked on it. And make sure y'all feel free to comment. I really love engaging with y'all in the comment section. Y'all know I do that. So I wanted to thank y'all, come on here and thank y'all because I haven't had a chance yet for really enjoying my last two videos. I had a lot of fun in those videos. I enjoyed, learning the routines and giving y'all something a little different to see. So those videos are doing very well. So if you haven't saw it, please, after you watch this video, go back and watch it, because it's very entertaining. I had a lot of fun, you can tell. And I really want to thank y'all for just riding with me for this long, through everything I've had going on. And y'all, we still here. So today we are doing something a little different than normal. So my pole instructor decided that she wants me to learn a few moves in class, and then after I learn those moves, we're going to incorporate portions of those new tricks into a routine. So that's what's going on today. So I hope y'all enjoy it. And if you guys are still listening to me talk in the beginning portion of this video, my goal is to have a video. I want to drop multiple videos this week because I took pretty much a month break off of YouTube. So I'm going to try to post 2 to 3 videos this week. So the goal is Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. I am going to commit to that for y'all. Y'all deserve that much to at least get 2 to 3 videos. So I'm going to give y'all, I'm thinking 1 pole video, 1 vlog, 1 weekly vlog, and 1 spend a Saturday with me vlog. How do y'all feel about that? Let me know. Or we can do 2 pole vlogs and 1 type of vlog. I don't know. Y'all let me know. But y'all, thank you so much for rocking with me. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Please, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe for me, please. Now, let's get into this video. I'll talk long enough. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all. Kiss me dangerous. Been so lost without you all around me. Get anxious. Don't look like it's all about you. Need to talk right now. Drop. Drop this, yep, and bring it down. You about to go in the invert. Does that hurt? Okay, that's the good thing. So we can climb up and do that. So what you gonna do? But you're gonna be low. So tie your hand, and you're gonna put it in your armpit. Grab. That's the invert. You see, I said you was low, you was gonna be low, but that's the invert. So look, hook. You see how I'm holding the hands up high, measure your stomach so you can hook. Break it down. Okay. Oh. Okay, so here and drop.
Now you know, if you broke, then you gotta let him go. You could have anybody, any money, no. Cause when you a boss, you could do what you want. Yeah, cause girls is players too. It's time that we let them know that girls is players too. Keep playing, baby. Cause girls is players too.
Put this leg in front. Yes. Drop down, slide down, keep going. Slide down, come on. There you go. But you already too far down. But that was it. That's because you were scared. That's why I just showed you like that before doing the whole thing. You gotta get used to it.
On that bubbling, train that muddy, we covering it. Yeah, I'm covering it. I was dugging it. How's you loving it? This for the muffin it. This for
Alright, ready? Pick his leg up, put it, go higher. So go up. At the same time, straighten his leg. Go up. Yep. Straighten up. There you go. Boom. Now you can go into the clam. Open up. Close. Alright, turn your hand. Grab the close. So grab, just grab. Your nail. I figured. Switch your legs. Bring it back. The more you bring it back, you good. You good. It keeps breaking. Oh, man. Oh, remember the whip appeal, right? So we're going to take 3 steps. Across the chest. Take your outside leg and whip in front of your right leg. Then you're going to go into a bend. So it's going to 1, 2, whip, open, bend. Look, she like, I'm sorry. Alright, so you like, you got this. 1, 2, 3. You. The only thing was you spit without putting your hand. So walk 1, 2. And when you whip away from the car. Like whip. Like this. But eventually you ride. That's what I'm trying to train you to do. So your big booty go in front of the pole. Not on the other. 1, 2, 3. Whip. Yes. But why you give me that little bit of open? That shit was cute. But why you give me this little open like this? That's all you gotta. At least straighten your legs. You get like this. Okay, that was good. So now we're adding it. We're gonna cross, right, left, open, drop, come up. 1, 2, 3, whip, open, time. You can do it. Let's do it together. Yes. Good. Go down. Better slide. Big up. Slide. 1, 2, 3. Whip. Open. Down. And then pirouette. You got this.
I don't have no time for no misunderstandings again. Future took the business and ran it for me. I let Ollie take the aisle, told him brand it for me. I give 2 million a pop and that's standard for me. Like I went blind, dog, you gotta hand it to me. Gotta give me that shit. Prayed, then I prayed again. Had a moment, but it came and went. Y'all don't wanna play with him. They'll be morning you like 8 a.m. Pinky ring till I get a wedding ring. Love my brothers, cut them in on anything. And you know it's King Slime, Drizzy, damn. She just said I'm there, I hit the whistle dance. Either hand is the upper hand. Got a bubble on my other hand. This shit ain't no 100 bands. Palace look like Buckingham. Bills so big, I call them Williams for real. Reasons to go crazy, got a trillion for real. They been trying me, but I'm resilient for real. I can't go in public like civilian for real. And I hardly take offense. Money for revenge.
Yeah, like that.
Girl, red soft skin, being just right, yeah. Girl, red soft skin, being just right, yeah. Girl, red soft skin, being just right,